The LUMIX GH7 incorporates its hybrid autofocus system, combining both contrast and phase detection, making it both fast and reliable in every situation. This autofocus system can identify your subjects in the most challenging situations you could throw at it. In total, it has 6 subject types: human, animal, car, motorcycle, train, and airplane. This autofocus has you covered from low light scenarios, backlit, frontlit situations, and it can keep up with fast moving subjects. By clicking this button, you can access your autofocus modes and your subject detection section, where you can choose from your 6 subjects and the respective parts that you want to capture. The GH line has always been known for its stabilization, and it just got better in the GH7. The GH7 can achieve 7.5 stops, 5-axis body internal stabilization. This is incredible when using long lenses on the system. On top of that, the GH7 has electronic internal stabilization that can be toggled onto high mode, and it can make your handheld shots look like you're running a gimbal. To enable E-stabilization, work your way down through this menu, go to Image Stabilizer, and from here click E-stabilization. Once you're in this menu, you have 2 options. You have standard and you have high. Choose the one that you need, and you're ready to go. This stabilization system works both in stills and in the video mode.